No one investigates like News 4. A family whose home was foreclosed on and sold by the city because of unpaid garbage fees had their day in court, and for now, they can stay in their house. News 4's Al Vaughters first brought us this story last month, joins us now with the latest developments. Al?
Diana, round one of this legal tug of war goes to the family whose Riverside home was sold out from under them to pay $400 in back garbage user fees. That ruling handed down today by a state judge.
We've been in this house for 14 years. They don't want to leave. This is all they know.
The plight of Dawn Gonzalez and her elderly parents, Bob and Lily in Rabbit Toy, is desperate and complex. Dawn and her husband own the house, but city officials foreclosed on the Esser Avenue property over 2 years of unpaid garbage user fees, amounting to $443, then sold the house at auction.
I don't know how much longer I'm going to have my parents. Now you're telling me I have to take them from here?
Dawn and her parents are now suing to keep the house, naming the city, their mortgage company, and the New Jersey investor who bought their house in the foreclosure sale as defendants. A state judge granted the family's motion to keep their home as their attorneys argue to overturn the sale.
We're pleased that the judge granted our motion for preliminary injunction to allow this family to, this elderly couple to stay in their residence pending the outcome of the case.
Dawn and her family claim they didn't know about the city's garbage user fee and thought their monthly mortgage payments included the user fee as well as property taxes and other charges. We found through a Freedom of Information request city records showing their mortgage servicer, Option 1 Mortgage, had been paying the garbage user fee. These are copies of the checks for $513 in 2005 and $419 in 2007. The check stopped after Option 1 sold the mortgage to a new servicing company. The Gonzalez and Rabbit Toys claim no one notified them of these obligations or the pending sale of their property. Attorney Jeffrey Lazarow, representing the buyer, told the judge his client has a substantial investment in the Esser Avenue property.
But there are a lot of issues here which have not been brought out in the hearing.
After today's ruling, Supreme Court Justice Tracy Bannister set the next hearing for April 22nd. Now, these kinds of legal entanglements do occur frequently surrounding city auctions, and the Common Council is reforming foreclosure practices to avoid this kind of aggravation. Al Vaughters, News 4 at 5:30.
Thank you so much, Al.